Deep down in the warm brown ground, a tiny seed is sleeping sound. Can you wiggle like a tiny seed? Look at Sunny Seed waking up. Here comes a plip and a plop. The rain says don't stop. Rain comes down, soft and slow. Tiny little seed, it's time to grow. Root goes down, shoot goes up. Grow, 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 don't stop. Reach your arms up high, pop. The little sprout says hello to the sun. Sun shines bright, leaves turn green. Tallest little sprout we've ever seen. Sway to the left, sway to the right, growing taller in the light. Water, sun, soil, time, growing is a happy climb. Look, a flower bud is here. 1 petal, 2 petals, 3 petals more. Sunflower smiles like never before. Stand tall like a sunflower. You helped Sunny grow. First a seed, then rain and sun, then a sprout, then leaves, then a sunflower. Great growing little gardeners.